Welcome to another exciting day with our grade 12 aquaculture students. Kaway-kaway mga anak! Today isn't about sitting inside a classroom, but today we're heading straight to where real learning happens, to Fishpond. No filters, no drama, walang arte. Game always! Armed with boots, shovels, rakes, and teamwork, our future aquaculture professionals are ready to get their hands dirty because in aquaculture, every successful harvest begins with proper pond preparation. Cleaning a fish pond may look simple, but it's one of the most important steps in fish farming. Every student has a role. Some are removing weeds, others are collecting unwanted debris, some are leveling the pond bottom, while others are clearing the dikes. Every shovel of mud, every piece of trash removed, and every drop of sweat brings us one step closer to building a healthy environment for our future fish stocks. This is not just manual labor. This is practical learning. This is responsibility in action. What makes this adventure even better? It's the teamwork. No one is left behind. Everybody helps. Everyone encourages one another. When one gets tired, another steps in. When the work gets heavier, the smile becomes even bigger. Because that's what makes grade 12 aquaculture different. Walang reklamo, walang arte. Game always! Learning doesn't only happen through books. Sometimes, the best lessons come from muddy boots, dirty hands, and shared laughter. Every cleaned pond is a promise of better fish production. Every effort today prepares us for tomorrow's harvest. These experiences develop discipline, patience, responsibility, and perseverance. The qualities every aquaculture professional must possess. One day, these students won't just clean fish ponds. They'll manage farms, lead fisheries projects, support food security, and inspire future generations of aquaculture learners. Today, they are students. Tomorrow, they'll become professionals. To our hardworking grade 12 aquaculture students, thank you for showing that success doesn't come from shortcuts. It comes from dedication, teamwork, and the willingness to learn through experience. This is more than just cleaning a fish pond. This is building character, building skills, and building the future of aquaculture. Until our next adventure, keep learning, keep growing, and remember, Grade 12 Aquaculture. Walang arte, game always. See you in our next aquaculture adventure. This is Grade 12 TVL Aquaculture of Lintigov National High School. Bye-bye! See you next time!